return. Turbos pulls the night and nights, soft thoughts in the flashing lights. Rev it up, feel the fire inside. Pistons scream as the limits collide. Trees in the smoke and shifting gears.
Hello, and don't mind my hair everybody, but welcome to a video of the shed update. So it's coming along. We are currently building all the new shelving. It's going to store everything here. We're going to store all the stuff there. We're going to have 2 full ones and then one, I believe, 1 full one and probably 1 lower one. That's sort of how they go, is like that. So I'll have a full one and then probably a little one and a bend like that, so that I can get in access into here to work on things of that notion. So yeah, give me a second. As you can see here, everything's been pulled out. It is just ridiculous. So unfortunately we've had to spend a bit of money on getting tuning hardware. Tuning hardware is not cheap. It's a fair bit of money. So we're not spending money on buying another shed. We're going to try and utilise the shed space that we have got. The idea is if we put these shelving units in, it makes it a bit easier rather than the table that we had before, which is out here. As you can see, that takes up quite a fair bit of space. And so the idea will be when we move the lawnmower out, I'll have all this space here to do my work. So that shadow board's probably going to get changed and taken down, possibly spun around sideways, more of a lengthways thing, so the tools are there like that instead of straight down. That'll give me more of an ability to have those basic tools there. All these S-hooks and things are probably going to end up going down this end here, because we're going to have all of the Milwaukee, the Ozito, the compressor and all that sort of stuff. The compressor is going to be in a shelf underneath. These drawers will probably be up on the corner or up here somewhere like that. Yeah, and well, basically that's how I want to sort of have it. This is a new addition which people probably haven't seen yet. Is we just bought this. It cost us $60 on Marketplace. It's just an XTM awning, same one you get on a car, that sort of thing. And so what we did was we pretty much just mounted it like that, bent the mount that was already in there and mounted it straight through into the shed, into the main frame, and then one into there as well, same on the other side. And that's it. That's so that we can work under the cars here now and in the shade when we put the ramps up and that sort of thing. Everything we're doing under here will be under the shade. We won't be as hot anymore. We don't actually get as much heat in the shed. It's warm in here, but it used to be stifling. Like today's a 37 degree day, and it used to be stifling in here. So what will be going on is up on this roof some silver, because if you touch that now, it is absolutely steaming. So we will be putting some what they call it, silver insulation that will protect us from the heat. And yeah, so that's it so far for the video. I'm going to add more videos as this go on. It'll be one big video if we get it all done in one day, because I've only got today. I've got to go back to my day job, unfortunately. But Super Sport is coming along. We're getting there. We've got the tuning stuff coming. The tuning hardware is on its way. The tuning software will come with that, and then we'll start. We're very close to finishing off and getting accredited for that, so I'll be able to start tuning some vehicles. So this stuff that comes, not that many people sort of know, but if you do know, it's OBD, it's bench and boot. So it's all of the systems, and yeah, I'm not going to tell you anything about the brand or the what it is. I will reveal that when it comes. We'll do a bit of an unboxing, that sort of thing, and have a bit more excitement there. And yeah, we're looking into some signage on the back of Project Bryn, full window sort of thing. We have bought a HP tuner. That's not for our vehicles. Don't know if we're selling that or keeping it yet. You know, it's only at least $1,200 back. People don't want to pay. They think, oh, if you buy it and you don't need it, Joel can just give you $800 or something. Nah, that's not how it works. I paid $1,200. It's never been used. I want that money back. So if people want to buy it, they've got to pay for that. So if they don't want to buy it, I'll keep it, and I've got credits on it. I can just put it back into my name, use it for a vehicle, and that's it. And then move on. So yeah, hopefully that makes some explanation, and then we'll show you at the end what we've done, and yeah, where we're going to go from there. Righto, stay tuned for the next clip. Won't be far off. Righto everyone, look at it. It is amazing. All this room. I reckon we've got well over 2.5 meters of room now. This is crazy, the amount of space. So remove all this bucket and stuff. I've got workbench room here. I can take all this out of the way if I need to, and I've got workbench there. It's heaps of room. We're going to put the mower in. That's just when I need to do some work, I just take it out. We've got all the oils there, we've got all the tools, we've got all the compressor, we've got everything where it needs to go. We've got all our spanners up here, all ready to go. Every other tool that we usually use is all there. Heaps more space. So it's probably taken us well over 4 hours. But here we are. We've got what we needed to do. This here will get all shit, dropping stuff. Getting tired. This will all get scrubbed off, and it's going to go up here, and it's going to give us all the latest jobs and things that we need to do for all the customers that are coming through. That's what that's going to end up happening on that. Widget's helped me out a bit. He's just sitting there digging a hole for no reason, don't know why. But yeah, no, we're here. We've got the space now, and we got this one here. This corner's getting cleaned up as well. There is in this box just down here, there's another half one just like this, like my workbench. So we'll put a half one in there, and I'll probably have like 2 or 3 shelves, and then we'll put all this in there, and then we'll have this corner cleaned up as well. And yeah, this whole place will look really good. So for watching this video and coming along with us on this journey. We've got a long way to go to get our business where we need to be. So yeah, but we're getting there. We're making it a step at a time. One step forward and no steps back at this point. So once that tuning gear gets here, we'll definitely be onto it. So thank you to everybody that watches our stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Drive safe. Till then, bye.